Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add money without debit card on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to add money to Cash App without a debit card, you have a few different options. First, you can link your bank account instead of a debit card. Open the Cash App, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Linked Banks. From here, tap Link Bank and follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your bank account. Once your bank account is linked, you can transfer money from it to your Cash App balance without adding a debit card. Another option is to order a Cash App card. Go to the Cash Card tab and tap Get Free Cash Card. Choose the design you want and complete the order. After you receive the card, you can visit participating retail stores that support Cash App paper money deposits, hand cash to the cashier, and have it added directly to your Cash App balance. Availability of cash deposits may vary by location and retailer. Finally, if you need money in your Cash App balance immediately, you can ask a trusted friend or family member to send money to your cash tag. You can then repay them using cash or another payment method outside of Cash App. These are the most common ways to add money to Cash App without using a debit card. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add money without debit card on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.